Hello and welcome to the Kaun Banega Smart Buyer channel. Today we are going to share top 5 best Bluetooth headphones available in the market. At number 5th spot on our list is Sennheiser Momentum 3 Wireless. This headphone is featuring striking metallic headphone arms. The Sennheiser Momentum 3 Wireless aren't headphones that you would miss in a crowd. Additionally, this fantastic pair of headphones are also a feature add-in bundle, including ones such as ANC, adjustable EQ, HD codec support, Bluetooth version 5.0, 17-hour long battery life and more. Even the sound profile of this headphone is bass forward, but still, frequencies are represented well. Coming to the ANC performance, the Sennheiser Momentum 3 Wireless does well at drowning out constant sounds, such as chatter and AC hums. It also comes with an anti-pressure mode, which diminishes the overwhelming pressure some users feel when wearing a pair of noise-cancelling headphones. This will cost you around 35,000 rupees and the link is in the description. Next at number 4th spot on our list is V-Moda Crossfade 2 Wireless Codecs. One of the most robust headphones available in the market are the V-Moda Crossfade 2 Wireless Codecs. When it comes to sound, they are also versatile since they support AAC and aptX and also allow for high-res wired listening. However, their battery life is a tad lackluster compared to most other headphones on this list. If you are an audiophile, you will be glad to know that these headphones also come packing an integrated AMP/DAC and 50mm dual diaphragm drivers. The resulting sound profile is energetic, punchy and detailed, and will complement most genres of music well. The cost of this headphone is around 27,000 rupees approx and the link is in the description. Next at number 3rd spot on our list is Boss NC700. Although the Boss NC700 comes up a bit short when it comes to ANC performance and sound quality in comparison to the Sony WH-1000 XM4, but they are still a solid pair of noise cancelling headphones with microphone. These headphones featuring a whopping 8 microphones which deliver an amazing Boss's signature noise cancelling feature by letting users toggle between 11 adjustable ANC levels. The NC700 also allows granular control over the noise cancellation levels. Albeit the ANC does alter the sound quality significantly in the lows, it still doesn't sound unpleasant. Additionally, the Boss NC700 also comes with a sleek and modern design, making other over-ear looks rather dated. This headphone will cost you around 34,500 rupees and the link is in the description. Next at number 2nd spot on our list is Shuru Aonic 50. The Shuru Aonic 50 provides user a lot of features and is capable of solid low end noise cancellation and does enough to compete with the top one in this category. These headphones also support a wide array of codecs including SBC, AAC, LDAC, aptX, aptX HD and aptX low latency in comparison to the Sony's that only supports the first 3. Nevertheless, this headphone gives the best sound quality. The Shuru Aonic 50 is sporting a sound profile that is slightly closer to neutral in comparison to the Sony WH-1000 XM4. While the sound profile is excellent for critical listening, it may come off as a bit too restrained and controlled if you are a casual music listener. This headphone will cost you around 24,000 rupees and the link is in the description. Finally, the wait is over. Next at number 1 spot on our list is Sony WH-1000 XM4. The successors to the acclaimed Sony WH-1000 XM3, the Sony Mark IVs come with improved noise cancellation and sound quality, which makes them one of the most remarkable pair of noise cancelling headphones on the market. Even though the newer model featuring the very same 40mm drivers and the QN1 processor that were present in the WH-1000 XM3, with some tweaks to the algorithm, the sonic signature has been changed from the consumer-friendly bass bias in the Mark III to a sound signature that is much closer to neutral in the Mark IV. The ANC performance of the Sony WH-1000 XM4 has also improved considerably in comparison to its already stellar predecessor, and is able to envelop you in an immersive auditory bubble. This headphone will cost you around 20,000 rupees and the link is in the description.